Lesson: Leveraging contextual cues for enhanced responses. Leveraging contextual cues for enhanced responses is a critical skill in the realm of prompt engineering. By understanding and effectively utilizing contextual information, professionals can significantly improve the quality and relevance of responses generated by AI systems. This lesson delves into actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that empower professionals to harness the power of context in their work. Contextual cues are elements of information surrounding a prompt that can influence the understanding and output of a language model. These cues can be derived from various sources, such as the surrounding text, the intended audience, the purpose of communication, and the broader situational context. By leveraging these cues, prompt engineers can craft queries that lead to more precise, relevant, and useful responses. For instance, consider a customer service chatbot that needs to provide specific solutions based on a user's previous interactions. By integrating contextual cues from past conversations, the chatbot can deliver more personalized and accurate responses. A practical framework for utilizing contextual cues involves several key steps. First, identify the context by gathering relevant information that surrounds the prompt. This can include understanding the user's background, the specific problem at hand, or the broader situational context. Second, analyze the context to determine which elements are most critical to the prompt's success. This analysis may involve prioritizing certain contextual cues over others based on their relevance or impact. Third, integrate the prioritized cues into the prompt itself, ensuring that the AI system has access to the necessary information to generate an effective response. Finally, evaluate the generated response to determine if the contextual integration was successful and make adjustments as needed. One practical tool that can aid in this process is the use of context embeddings, which are vector representations of contextual information. These embeddings can be fed into a language model alongside the prompt to provide additional information that guides the model's response. For instance, a context embedding might include details about the user's previous questions, enabling the AI to tailor its response accordingly. Researchers have demonstrated that incorporating context embeddings can significantly enhance the performance of language models, leading to more coherent and contextually aware responses. Another valuable approach is the use of prompt templates designed to capture and utilize contextual cues effectively. These templates are pre-structured prompts that incorporate placeholders for contextual information. By filling in these placeholders with relevant details, prompt engineers can ensure that the AI system considers the necessary context when generating a response. For example, a prompt template for a legal advice chatbot might include placeholders for the user's legal problem, jurisdiction, and desired outcome. By populating these placeholders with specific information, the chatbot can provide more accurate and relevant advice. Case studies illustrate the practical application and effectiveness of leveraging contextual cues. In one study, a healthcare organization utilized contextual cues to improve the accuracy of a diagnostic AI tool. By integrating patient history and environmental factors into the prompt, the organization was able to achieve a substantial increase in diagnostic accuracy, demonstrating the power of context in enhancing AI performance. Statistics further underscore the importance of context in AI systems. Research indicates that contextually aware AI systems can achieve up to a 30% improvement in response relevance and accuracy compared to systems that do not utilize contextual information. This highlights the significant impact that context can have on the effectiveness of AI-driven responses. To implement these strategies effectively, prompt engineers must be adept at identifying and analyzing contextual cues. This requires a keen understanding of the specific domain in which the AI system operates, as well as the ability to discern which contextual elements are most pertinent to a given prompt. Additionally, prompt engineers must be skilled in crafting prompts that seamlessly integrate contextual information, ensuring that the AI system is equipped to generate responses that are both relevant and precise. In summary, leveraging contextual cues for enhanced responses is a crucial aspect of prompt engineering that can significantly improve the quality and relevance of AI-generated outputs. By employing practical tools such as context embeddings and prompt templates, and by following a structured framework for integrating contextual information, professionals can address real-world challenges and enhance their proficiency in this domain. Through case studies and statistics, the effectiveness of these strategies is clearly demonstrated, providing prompt engineers with the actionable insights and practical guidance needed to excel in their field. By mastering the art of leveraging context, professionals can unlock the full potential of AI systems, delivering responses that are both accurate and contextually aware.